All right, y'all, give y'all exclusive look, man. 6.2 gang, go to Hellcat, man. Finna go ahead. Y'all see that on the dash 200. Exclusive, man. Finna do the start on it, you know what I mean? Hear what it say. Did that Hellcat just start up? I think it just did. I think that Hellcat just started up on. Man. Yeah. That sucker hard, man. God, dog. Bag that motherfucker off. That's nothing to do. I can't get it. I ain't better get this sucker up in there, man. I ain't better get it.
I do it.
It's too hard.
Just hurry up before we run out.
Huh? Nah, I can't do that. I'd be highly upset. Yeah. I got that belt in there. I'm gonna put that belt on right away. You're clear. You gotta. Hellcat footage. I couldn't put in there power steering out hard. You almost got it, Box. Check the engine light out.
So you gonna let Papa drive this for a couple of weeks before you drive it?
Nah, he'll probably handle him harder more than me. He probably handle it way better than me. Yeah. You gonna pull it down, pull it back some more.
We can leave it up.
Let's have some light.
Yeah.
Woo! Hellcat. Yeah, I think my Hellcat don't run. Y'all seen that. Y'all think the Hellcat don't run, it is that, you know what I mean? Okay. Huh?
You on video?
Yeah, I'm live, man. I'm sorry.
What's up, YouTube live?
I'm sorry. I had to go live on that.
We live.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. Back out of here, man. You know what I mean? Had to share a little quick footage, man. We're gonna cut out, man, but I can't cut out on that note. You know what I mean? Hellcat back. Hellcat back. Black demon cat, excuse me. I'm just a little excited. Yeah. All right. Back out in a minute, y'all. See y'all.